Knievel, born Robert Craig Knievel in 1938 in Butte, Montana, was more than just a motorcycle stunt performer. He was a symbol of daring and resilience. His audacious jumps and flamboyant persona captivated audiences worldwide, making him an enduring icon of American pop culture. Growing up in the rough-and-tumble mining town of Butte, Knievel was exposed to a life of hard work and risk from an early age. His early experiences with motorcycles and a penchant for thrill-seeking set the stage for his future career. After a stint in the U.S. Army and various jobs, including selling insurance and running a motorcycle dealership, Knievel began performing motorcycle stunts to attract customers, eventually leading to his first professional jump over 2 pickup trucks in 1965. Knievel's fame skyrocketed in the late 1960s and 1970s as he performed increasingly daring motorcycle jumps over cars, buses, and other obstacles. His most infamous stunt occurred on New Year's Eve 1967, when he attempted to jump the fountains at Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. The jump ended in a horrific crash, leaving him with multiple fractures and a month-long coma, but it also cemented his status as a national sensation. In 1974, Knievel attempted one of his most ambitious stunts, jumping the Snake River Canyon in Idaho using a steam-powered rocket called the SkyCycle X2. Despite meticulous planning, the parachute deployed prematurely and the rocket drifted into the canyon, landing near the riverbank. Although the jump failed, Knievel survived with minor injuries, and the event drew massive media attention. Knievel continued performing stunts throughout the 1970s, including a successful jump over 14 buses at Kings Island in 1975, which garnered the highest viewer ratings in the history of ABC's Wide World of Sports. However, repeated injuries took their toll, and he officially retired from major performances in 1980. Evel Knievel's influence extended beyond motorcycle stunts. He inspired a generation of daredevils and extreme sports athletes, contributing to the popularity of events like the X Games. His image adorned toys, comics, and merchandise, reflecting his status as a cultural icon. In his hometown of Butte, Montana, the annual Evel Knievel Days Festival celebrates his legacy, drawing thousands of fans each year. Evel Knievel passed away in 2007 at the age of 69, but his legacy endures. His fearless approach to life and unyielding determination continue to inspire those who dare to push the boundaries. As he once said, "I did everything by the seat of my pants. That's why I got hurt so much." Yet, it was this very approach that made him a legend.